How to enroll in Wells Fargo Online Banking. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial to enroll in Wells Fargo Online Banking. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So we can start by going to their enrollment page. So we could just go over and search for Wells Fargo enrollment in online banking and go ahead and click on it and open up the site right here. Just go over and click on it. Once you open it up, we can look out for the option called Enroll Now. So go ahead and find that option and click on this option called Enroll Now. And you will be asked for your ATM, debit, credit card, or your account loan number, social security number, or tax ID, and email address. So we just need to enter up those necessary information. So once you enter, go ahead and go to that section by clicking on Enroll Now. In the section right here, SSN or tax ID section, you need to provide in this section. So go ahead and provide in the number here. If you do not have it, you can click on this option instead. And go ahead and instead provide in this number, such as your date of birth and your card, loan, or account number. After that is done, you just need to click on this continue option and then verify your identity. You may receive a one-time code for verification. You can create up a username, create up a secure password, and you can check your inbox for a confirmation email and complete up the enrollment. You can review the agreement and terms and conditions, and then you should be able to log in into Wells Fargo after that. You can just go and log in with a new username and new password, and you can now check your balance, transfer money, pay bills, use mobile banking, and many more. And that's it, everybody. For now, you can follow out this method if you want to enroll into Wells Fargo. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.